We're having lunch soon. Ready to pick up na. Ay, anong oras tayo alis? Pula-pula ng lips ko. Wala pang lipstick niya na kasi malamig. Namumula talaga siya. So, masarap yung sunny. Parang may eyeshadow pa rin ako. Hindi ko nalinisan from last night. Ito, hindi talaga siya. Wala talaga siya. Diba? So, we're waiting for the Kathy. We're having lunch too.
We're waiting for the boys.
For the boys. These boys?
Yes.
You should wake them up.
No, they're awake already.
Okay, we're having
we're
lunch
waiting for
kasi
them.
sa with Marie Edith Place sa kay tita nila, kay Marie Edith Place. Mag-lunch kami and then we're going to
Paris.
take a train going to Paris. We sleep over there for one night and then we're gonna having flight to Corsica next day. So mag one night kami sa Paris. Okay. Take more video later.